Is there anything wrong with New Albany? In this video, we're going to go over some pros and cons of New Albany. As you can see right behind me, got a Georgian feel, white fences, surrounding New Albany and all through the neighborhoods. If this is your first time to the channel, please like and subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to know about the market here in Columbus, Ohio. Hi, my name is Billy Fristo and I'm a local realtor here in Columbus, Ohio. And this is the Living in North Columbus YouTube channel. We get calls every day for people just like you looking to make a move. So if you're moving in 9 or 90 days, please reach out, give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'd love to help you make that smooth transition here to Columbus, specifically New Albany. And as always, just call Billy. Before I get into the pros specifically, here we are, neighborhood right here. Lots of green space here. They're still building. New Albany is definitely up and coming growth, and it's growing. So let's get into some of these pros and cons. See what you think about New Albany. So the number one pro of living in New Albany is the schools. They're an A+ rated school district and consistently ranked in the top in the state for academics and extracurricular. They are number 2 in Columbus, and they are number 7 in the state of Ohio. So it's a super great school district. Right behind me, you can see the campus. It's made up of several buildings that make up the main academic campus here in New Albany. They have a pre-K kindergarten building. They have a primary building, the intermediate building, and then they have a middle school, 7th and 8th, and then a high school, ranked super high in Columbus and in the state. They have 29 honors courses, 22 AP courses, 12 college credit courses, great academics. They're good in athletics as well. The pro number 1 of living in New Albany, schools. Hey, so the number 2 pro living in New Albany are the great neighborhoods, amazing master plan community. It's a great mastermind, predetermined community. You have plots, kind of revolves around the market area, which is right behind me. Everything kind of filters out from, city center. Really great community. There's white fences all around New Albany, as you can see behind me. It's got white fence, street line. They have over 68 miles of, trails for biking, hiking, walking. So a lot of outdoor activity as well here in New Albany. Right now I'm in Rose Run Park, and as you can see, walking trails, a nice little river, stream going through it. Just a really nice area. I'll show you down here as well. So pro number 2, mastermind and, thinking of the community, the great outdoor space, trails, all the fun stuff. It is one of the safest, if not the safest area here in Columbus, North Columbus corridor that I'm focusing on here on the Living in North Columbus YouTube channel. There is a lot of great communication between police department, law enforcement, residents, and businesses in the area. That's how they maintain the close-knit community and safety to kind of, guarantee that, hey, we want to live in a safe community. That is, I guess, one of the best things that they can do is communicate between residents, businesses, police, to ensure that they maintain their safe community. The high-end amenities. Right now I'm down in the Market District. Public library is right behind me. Upscale shopping, fitness centers, New Albany Country Club. A lot of good shopping. Some of the shops like Lux Levels, Fable Collection, nice downtown area, some more, shops, restaurants, library. Down here in the Market District, New Albany. So if you're thinking about moving here, love to show you around New Albany and show you what it has to offer. Proximity and ease of getting around in New Albany. You are close to 161, takes you all the way through Dublin on the west side, all the way out to Newark here on the east side. It goes right through New Albany. And you're also close to 270, which will get you anywhere in Columbus. 15-minute drive to the airport. Ease of getting around here from New Albany. Let's move on. Is the thriving arts and culture scene. As you can see, I am downtown in front of the Gene B. McCoy Art Community Center for the Arts, and I am also here, the Hinson Amphitheater, right behind me as well. So, two really cool things, in the art community here in New Albany. So a lot of things to do for lots of different people. If you're trying, to get into the arts, what they do here is they highlight, music, theater, and art. Also New Albany has a summer concert series, 4th of July parade, Oktoberfest celebration of colors, dances, Festival of Lights. They hold a Veterans Day breakfast here in New Albany too. So just a lot of stuff to do. And, if you're looking for something different, come check out a performance, switch it up, get out and enjoy the community. If you're thinking about moving to New Albany and you heard all the awesome pros that there are, great community, there's a few cons. Let's get into what they are. So number one con, the high cost of living. Property taxes are around a little over 2.5%. Home prices are going to be a little more expensive as well. Average home value is almost $600,000. The average listing price is about $630,000. But homes can go up into the multi-millions, especially houses down around, New Albany Country Club and whatnot. So that would be the number one con is, the cost of living and high property taxes. Con number two of living in New Albany is the HOAs and community restrictions. New Albany likes to keep, their neighborhoods super nice. HOAs may restrict you from doing things to your property that you may want to do. Very upscale communities, and they want to keep them that way. So they restrict, what you can do in these communities with the HOA, and it's going to limit your personal style or maybe what you would like to do to the property. So that is a thought to think about before you, decide to buy here in New Albany. Con number three, it's, not first-time home buyer friendly. Everything is pretty much large, single-family homes, and it makes it, sometimes not affordable for first-time home buyers who are looking, to get into something smaller and, make their way up. So that would be con number three. Con number four is going to be traffic and construction. Companies are building out here like crazy. There's so many commercial buildings going up. Intel has just, they are investing, about $20 billion in an Intel facility out this way. Amazon has a fulfillment center out this way, International Business Park. And just with that growth requires new roads, maybe the widening of roads. There's been a lot of, commercial development out this way. So you're going to deal with some congestion and, some traffic construction over probably the next few years. That would be con number four, is the traffic and, the construction in the area. Con number five, it's a smaller community. The nightlife's not going to be crazy. There are some cool spots here, but there's not a ton of stuff, nightlife wise. So that would be con number five. So when I asked if there's anything wrong with New Albany, of course, it has its cons, like every community does. However, Business Insider named New Albany the number one suburb in the country, not just in Ohio, in the country, based on quality of life and the amenities here in New Albany and surrounding areas, and the ease to getting to all that Columbus and New Albany has to offer. So that is a tip for you, that New Albany was voted number one suburb in America for Business Insider magazine. So with that said, if you think New Albany is the place for you, look for my information in the description box below. Give me a call, shoot me an email, text me. I would love the opportunity to help you make that smooth transition to Columbus, specifically New Albany. So as I always say, just call Billy. Give me a shout. Thanks.